What's the meaning of cheerless? Cheerless. Cheerless.
Cheerless. Cheerless. Cheerless is an adjective that describes something or someone as lacking in cheer, happiness, or optimism. It can refer to a bleak atmosphere, a gloomy outlook, or a lack of enthusiasm or joy in a person's demeanor. A situation may be described as cheerless if it appears hopeless or dull. A cheerless mood can be characterized by feelings of sadness, loneliness, and disappointment. In essence, cheerless suggests a general lack of positive emotions or energy, and a feeling of dissatisfaction with life.